Hello my fellows, this is Candy from HJL AUTOPARTS Taiwan. Many of you have questions about how much is the CVVT gear replacement cost, so let's talk about it today. More and more vehicles are equipped with VVT cam gear to improve fuel economy performance. This design is one of the notable breakthroughs innovations in automobile history. In below link, you can get more information about VVT gear functions. With altering wheel lift movement, VVT system can provide better performance. The electronic technology allows right amount of oil supply to get into engine via variable wheel timing solenoid adjustments. Automakers have their own names to this technology. Ford calls it variable camshaft timing (VCT). VVTi is the name how Toyota calls it. Also, different designs exist for VVT system, and the most common is cam facing type. With cam facing, wheel timing can be altered in time by camshaft position changing according to the engine speed. More modern designs even have two camshafts in engine. Both intake and exhaust VVTs exist to ensure the control of precise wheel timing. The ECM, Engine Control Module, is in charge of controlling the camshaft movement by variable wheel timing solenoid to deliver the signal to adjust the oil amount. VVTi system, the variable wheel timing intelligence, receives the signal from solenoid, then can smoothly change the wheel timing according to engine operating conditions. 4 signs can tell you to check the VVT gears. Number 1. Poor fuel efficiency. Any malfunction of a timing system can cause waste of fuel and performance. If you sense any fuel economy declining, chances are the system is failing. Number 2. Rough and idly running engine. This condition is especially obvious when car is climbing hills or under load. Number 3. Check engine light on. Whenever something wrong in the engine, ECL will be turned on to remind you to check. Have verified mechanic to connect the car computer to diagnose for you. Number 4. Dirty engine oil. When oil getting dirty, it will cause clogging in timing chain system and variable wheel timing solenoid as well. The VVT is out of order, very possible. When VVTi gear failure symptoms appear, you will experience the above conditions. Then, you will know it's time to have a car check in the service center. If it's just the VVT rattling problem, then it's not big fuss. Take Toyota VVTi gear replacement cost as example. In the UK, you can have used one for 70 to 100 pounds, or brand new aftermarket ones for 120 to 150 pounds. In the States, it costs around $150 to $200 for aftermarket VCT gear. It will cost much higher for sure if you go for the original ones. Regarding to the replacement cost, let's say the average labor hours is around 2 to 3 hours. VVT cam gear replacement itself is not a difficult job, but it requires more hours to remove the engine and diagnose the problems. Since we take Toyota VVT gear replacement cost as example, it's common to see people in the forum will discuss the VVT gear value, and the variable timing gear replacement cost is around $2,500 or even more. And that is the lucky situation. I mean lucky because you sort out the problems precisely and not take too much time. Many cases at the repair center couldn't identify the problems. Not saying the mechanics not qualified or not experienced. It's the vehicle itself not do it when you bring the car to the repair shop. Believe me, it did happen to my vehicle, and it really happened to many people. About the ways to maintain VVT gears and longer lifetime. The VVT gears are also oil-driven, counting on proper oil pressure loss. Most of the time, the VVT faulty case is caused by the contaminated engine oil, so the oil cleanliness is essential. Firmly stick to the automaker's recommended maintenance plan is best way to longer the lifetime. Several parts in engine system rely on oil quality and proper oil pressure, so regular checking your oil level can prevent havoc on your engine. Okay friends, that's it for today. Don't forget to share, hit the subscription button, and open the little notification bell. Once again, this is HJL Auto Parts Taiwan. We talk about the fun things and good tips of your car engine and transmission. So, stay tuned and we will see you very soon next time. Adios!